Look at how pretty that is. Like, I don't know. Oh my god. KARINA, you need to come out with some glitter, okay? What is up, guys? Welcome back to this Slimeatory! Alright, guys, so today I am going to be doing a old KARINA Garcia slime kit versus a new KARINA Garcia slime kit. So I actually had no idea that she had these slime kits. Like, I was at the store trying to find her pre-made slimes, and then I saw these, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta get them. So yeah, we're gonna be basically comparing her old slime kit versus her new slime kit. So yeah, let's start. I am so excited. Anyways, make sure you press that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. And also today's like button challenge is gonna be try to press the like button with your wrist. And yeah, let's get straight on into the video. Yo. So first we have two here, guys. They're called slime bundles, but they're like the same thing. Like they have slime activator, glue, everything you need basically. Anyway, so this one is blue and pink, and this one's red and yellow. So I'm just gonna do one. So I'm just gonna do eeny, miny, mo's really quick. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a slime kit by its toe. If it hollers, let it go. My mom said to keep the very best, and you are not it. Yeah. So I guess that's not it. Alright. Okay, we got the pink and blue one. I love pink and blue, but anyways, let's start. So when you open this up, you get a bag. I like that she has hers in the bag because you don't have to like, that's one thing I don't like about like opening stuff. You have to like completely empty out. This one's like, grab the bag out, make your slime. Yeah. Let's open this. Yes, there's a bag. Oh my god, this looks so cool. I am so excited, guys. Oh, and it comes with instructions too. This one also has instructions, by the way, guys. So I am so excited for this. This looks so cool, and yeah, that looks so cool. I really like this one. This one looks new and improved. Okay, here's this one. I've had this slime kit for so long, guys. I don't know. I like this one more. It's like, looks cooler. I don't know. Okay, so we also have the instructions, everything. So let's get started. So since this slime kit is like a super slime kit. Like she put everything in here. She got instant snow, glitter, clear glue, white glue, dark slime. It's crazy. Anyways, in this one I'm going to make the instant snow one. Anyways, I really like that this one comes with a bowl because I don't really like cleaning bowls. So anyways, so let's start. Okay, so the first thing, I'm not gonna read the instructions, guys, because I already done this like a bunch of times, so I don't really need to read them. So first you gotta get a tablet, color tablet, and you put some water in it. I don't want mine to be too watery, so I'm just gonna try and saturate this. I love how these tablets like sizzle, but honestly, I wouldn't really like it if it was just like normal food coloring because it's kind of like annoying to do because it uses a lot of time. What should I do next? I think I'm just gonna put the glue, the instant snow. So I'm gonna make cloud cream or some type of cloud cream, I don't know. Let's put that in there. Ooh, look at how cool that looks, guys. Oh, this looks like a cool texture. It's like chewy. I don't know. This instant snow is super soft. It's kind of weird. Okay, well, I don't know what's wrong with it, but it's not really looking like instant snow. But anyways, I'm gonna put the white glue now. We're gonna put a little bit of glue in there, mix it. Like I said, guys, I don't know what this is gonna turn into. It's just gonna turn into like some type of frosting kind of slime. Okay, anyways, I think that's good. That's cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the activator. I don't really like the activator too much because it's blue and it kind of like just colors all of the slime, and I don't know, I don't really like it, and it's also really weak too, so yeah. So we're just gonna go ahead and just mix that. All right, guys, I think I kind of made a cloud cream of some sort. I wasn't expecting it because like I didn't put a lot of water or instant snow. I was just kind of whipping it all up together, but anyways, here it is. It's really nice. I like it. Okay, well, here it is, guys. It's actually pretty cloud creamy. So I like this instant snow too. Like, it's really soft. I don't know what kind of instant snow KARINA uses, but she uses some really nice instant snow. But anyways, here it is. It's really nice. Okay, now let's try the next one, guys. I'm so excited. Okay, guys, so here it is. Here's the instructions and everything. Let's just go ahead and look at that really quick. Oh, so it has cool, like, just easy steps right there. That's nice. So let's open this. Step 1, choose a glue and squeeze all of it into a cup or bowl. Okay, look at these, guys. These are so cool. What the heck? Could it not have shrink wrap all over it? I hate shrink wrap so much. Guys, this looks like a soap bottle, like a shampoo bottle, but I like it. It looks cool. So let's go ahead and pour it. And that is a lot more liquidy than I thought. Like, whoa. Okay, that is a lot more liquidy. Like, whoa. She put a little like bottle of instant snow in it, and it's so cool, guys. Like, look at that. It's like a little bottle. Like, that is so awesome. It says step 2, stir in either half of the styrofoam beads or half of the water gel. Make sure you do not use too much water gel or it will harden. Okay, so it said like half of the bottle, so I think that's half. Okay. Hopefully I didn't put too much. It looks like baking soda. I wonder how this is gonna turn out. Whoa. That's turning into like cottage cheese looking slime. I hope I didn't do wrong, but I don't know. Maybe once I activate it, it'll like turn good. Now since while stirring, slowly add half the slime activator. So now she has clear activator. That is really nice. Look at that. Yes. Okay. I have had it with all these freaking seals.
2,000 years later.
Oh my god. What the heck? Why does it? Okay, there we go. So slowly put in the active. Oh, my slime's starting to like instant snow. I don't know. Let's mix that up. Ow, that hurt. Okay guys, so here it is. I really like this. Like it turned out into like a kind of like a store-bought slime. So it's pretty cool. Like it doesn't really stretch too much, but like it's not really sticky at all. So I think it's really cool. It's like a store-bought slime and I don't know, I like it. It's cool. Okay, I'm gonna put some foam beads on it because I feel like it'll look cool. Get a pretty good pack of foam beads and it's so cute. Look at it. Mix that in. That's not mixing in. Oh my god, that is not sticking in at all. Well, that's why they don't tell you to mix it. Okay. All right, let me go ahead and clean this up. I'm gonna do this one more time. I just want to activate the plain glue just like how it is, just because I want to see like the texture, because I've literally never seen the texture ever before. Okay, over here we have the other one, the original slime kit, which is a lot better. So yeah, like look at that. It's so stretchy. Okay, I'm gonna go for round 2. I really want to redo this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and make another one of this one. I'm gonna be using the clear glue this time to show you guys. But anyways, let's start. Okay, so here's the clear glue. Oh no, I forgot the food coloring. Whatever. I'm gonna put the glitter in now. The glitter in this slime kit, guys, like goals. Like it is so pretty and so shiny. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and activate it. This glue is really, really slimy. It feels cool. Okay, so let's just go ahead and grab all of that good stuff. Okay, guys, here is the slime. It is jiggly, but it's really, really, really pretty. Like, look at how pretty that is. Like, I don't know. Oh my god. KARINA, you need to come out with some glitter, okay? And I need to buy some of it. Okay, anyways, here it is. It's really, really nice. So yeah, let's try the next one. Okay, so I really wanted to try and like activate this and like be really careful with the activator. Yeah, I got it. Anyways, I wanted to be really careful with the activator because it seems to be very strong. Can you just look at that? Like I didn't even use anything. So yeah, anyways, here's this glue. Let's go ahead and pour that. Whoa. Okay, let's put a teensy bit. Yeah, I put like 2 drops. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's not really activating, so I wonder what the heck happened. Maybe I put a lot, but I didn't even put any. Activating. I really want to see how this slime is going to turn out. Why isn't this activating, guys?
20 minutes later.
Okay, it's starting to finally take its final form. It's just slime, guys. It's not a Pokemon or anything. But it's getting together. It's coming together and it's really nice. Let's go ahead and start kneading that. Okay, guys, here it is. Ooh, I have never seen that kind of slime. Like, that's nice. That is interesting. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and just make some instant snow because I want to see if it can turn into an actual cloud cream. Because I'm sorry, but that's not really cloud cream. That's kind of just like a dough. So I'm gonna put all of this instant snow. Put some water. Oopsies, I got water all over the slime. I mean, her snow is so weird. Oh my god. Put some more water. Okay, her snow needs like a lot of water or something. I don't know. I guess that's a good thing because the snow like inflates like a lot. Okay, I think that's good enough. I can't really tell because I've never really played with that kind of instant snow. Anyways, let's pour that into there. Let's see what happens. I think this is just turning into that thing over there. Okay, this snow is so cool, guys. Like, it molds like a snow cone, and it's really nice. But it's very dry. I'm just gonna pour a bunch, oh, I guess it's just the rest of my water into there, and hopefully it saves it, because it's starting to harden again. I guess it was the instant snow, guys, that made it all hard. I don't know why, but it just completely destroyed my slime. Okay, guys, here it is. I don't know why, but the instant snow, like, kind of hardens it. So, if you guys get this slime kit, make sure you, like, make the slime extra sticky so that when you put the instant snow, it does not do that. So, yeah. All right, well, you know. Okay, well, that is it, guys. You guys comment down below if you want me to do anything else with these slimes. Okay, that is it. I love you guys so much, and I really hope I see you guys next time. Bye!